What's up, guys? So we're on our way to a festival, I guess. I don't know if it's a Christmas festival. Oh yeah, it's Pasco de Val. So there's going to be a Christmas festival at the park. So I guess we're going to check that out. Not sure what they're going to have. Maybe just a bunch of music and stuff. So I guess we'll see. It's got to be big because the streets are empty. No cars. Oh, there's one Cuyota motorcycle. Whenever they block off traffic, somebody's always going to drive through here. Not like in America where they definitely keep everything sealed, but compared to normal traffic, it's crazy slow. I've been walking like 3 blocks now. I haven't seen anything. So there's supposed to be a parade, but we'll see what shows up. Okay, so a little bit more walking, and I looked at a map, so I think it's going to start ahead, and as I moved a little bit further, a couple more blocks, I think I see the first part of the parade coming. So, and everyone else seems to be walking this direction, so that's usually a good way to tell if you're headed the right way. Hey. Hey. They have foam pigs and, excuse me, foam pigs and candy. All right. The Christmas in the Philippines, I guess. I must be near where the foreigners stay, because I see a lot of foreigners standing around, so. Somebody is doing a chocolate distribution for the kids. It's like a pit stop. Hey, bro. Wow. The kids are happy to be on the vlog for sure. And then they're happy to get this chocolate. They're bobbing on it. On YouTube. Kids are always excited to be on the vlog. Well, hopefully they see it. Well, I hope so. Another truck full of gifts. Is this what Santa brings to the Philippines? Alright, I had to get away from the sound for a little bit. It's like every music in the Philippines is like turned up to as loud as humanly possible, which is fine. It's a good party, but I can hardly hear myself talk right now. So we're gonna walk around a little bit out of the busy area and maybe walk back down to the park before it gets super full of all these kids, because there didn't look like there was an end to it. I've been standing there for over an hour watching groups come through, so we're going to walk and see what we find. Hopefully there's a bunch of stuff going on downtown. Well, it doesn't seem to be much going on. Just a lot of people sitting around. No one's doing anything. They're just like talking about the parade, which I guess you could just watch. There was like 50,000 people on the sidewalk, so I couldn't walk very well. Not much to see there except standing in a line. And then across the street, and it was empty. The park seems to be almost empty except for a bunch of city workers sitting in a a presentation that's not happening. So I don't really know what's going on. There's a little fair. There's a couple of rides over there. I think those are free. I think I saw online you just have to sign up and then you can go do that for free. So maybe I'll come back later and see if it's a little bit more lively tonight. So bye.